All right, y'all, roll your crescent dough out. I'm just kidding. You really need to open it up. Okay, let's see here. These things are always so hard to open sometimes. All right, open that up. Go ahead and pop it open. Oh yeah, that was nice. Okay, so take that crescent roll out of its package here. Yeah, you can throw it on the ground. Okay, we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna lay it all the way flat on our 9x13. Look how perfect that fits in there, okay? Just like that. Perfect, perfect. Okay, next, what I want you to do is go ahead, you're gonna get you a block of your cream cheese and go ahead and cut it up as nice as you can. I'm not really good at that. And then put it on, little dollops here and there, all the way on the bottom there, okay? Just like that. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess here. Hold on, let's get a spoon out. Gonna need some help with the spoon. All right, so there we go. You can use your hands. That's what I probably should do. It would be a lot easier if I did it like that. All right, we're gonna, oh my gosh, look at this. I'm a mess. This is not working. Okay. Little dollops all over the bottom of your crescent rolls. Y'all, crescent rolls are so good. My kids love this. Okay. Just like that. Okay. If you know of an easier way to get this done, let me know in the comments below, because usually I just want to use my fingers, but I'm trying to keep my fingers a little clean right now. So got that all out, kind of make it as even as you can, okay? Next, we're gonna go ahead and I've got some brown sugar right here, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and spread some of this brown sugar all over. Just gonna have to do my hands. Okay, so spread some brown sugar all over this. Yum. Okay, I don't know, maybe I used about a half a cup or so, maybe not that much. Okay, so next you're gonna go ahead and get some some cinnamon right here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spread all that around right on top. Okay, all right. And then what you're gonna do next is go ahead and get some, you could use half and half, or you can use some whipping cream, whatever you have. I had half and half, I was out of my whipping cream, so we're just gonna use this. Now, I'm just gonna pour just a little bit on top. I don't know how much, maybe like a quarter cup, not too much, okay? We just want it, just a little bit there, okay? Just like that. Then, okay, next I've got some butter cut up into like little cubes like this. And then I'm just gonna put a couple of these all around. Oh, this smells so good. That cinnamon is so delicious. You know, this would be good for on the weekends, you know, for breakfast. You could probably make this the night before if you wanted to. And so delicious. All right, so I used about half a stick. I think that's gonna be plenty here. Kind of move that around, okay? Now, you're gonna take another one of these crescent rolls here and go ahead and we're gonna open this up and watch what we're gonna do next. This is pretty cool. See if we can get that nice pop sound. Nope, not working this time. There we go. All right, so we're gonna open this up here. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna lay this right on top, just like that. Okay, lay it on top. Here, let's move that out of the way. Just like this. Okay. Oh, smells so good. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and pour a little bit more of our half and half right on top. Just a little bit, just a tiny bit, just to kind of moisten it a little bit, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect or pretty. This is all about making dinner, making breakfast. What are we making here? I don't know what time of the day is. Making breakfast and getting it on the table for our family, right? Doesn't have to be beautiful. That's right. All right, I'm gonna add a couple more of the butters on top because, well, yeah, we love butter here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna add a little sprinkle of the cinnamon. Oh, y'all, I love cinnamon. It's so good. All right, This is gonna be beautiful. That butter is gonna give it a nice golden on top. At least it should. So we'll see. Okay, there it is. See that? Isn't that pretty? So we're gonna go ahead and bake this about 375 until the top is nice and golden. It's probably gonna be around 20 minutes or so. Keep your eye on it. Okay, so here it is. Look at that. It looks so good right now. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's serve this up. Here, I'm gonna just kind of loosen it up a little bit. Oh, this is gonna be so good, y'all. Gosh, your kids are gonna love this for breakfast. This could be even a dessert, y'all. Okay. Oh, yes. Look at that cream cheese right there. That looks good. Okay, it's gonna be really hot. Just came out of the oven. It is hot, y'all. All right, let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna go from this way. Ooh, yes, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna add some whipped cream. Okay, oh my gosh, this is dessert, man. Okay, and then we're gonna add some cinnamon on top. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's take a bite. Okay, let's taste this, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so hot. This is so good. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit of this cream cheese now, right here. All right, it's so good. Man, this is better than like anything you're gonna pay top dollar for.